The newly infected person is married to a woman from Chicago who became sick with coronavirus after returning from Wuhan, China, which is considered ground zero for the disease. This is a rapidly developing story. About 8,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus worldwide. All but about 120 are in China, and all corona-related deaths have been in China as well.
The novel coronavirus outbreak is a public health emergency of international concern.
Officials say the decision was made because of the increase in number of cases in China, increase in number of countries where the virus has spread, and questionable handling of travelers. The fast-moving virus is prompting governments worldwide to take decisive measures out of an abundance of caution. 6,000 passengers held on this cruise ship off Italy Thursday while doctors checked on 2 Hong Kong tourists running a fever. And several countries are racing to help citizens escape the coronavirus by flying them out of China, especially those in Wuhan, the disease epicenter.
We are finally boarding the plane.
A chartered flight with some 200 Americans touched down at this California military base Wednesday. Patrick Stockstill and his family were among the passengers in face masks and officials in hazmat suits.
When we first stepped on board, my jaw dropped. I've never seen a plane set up like that before. It was a wide open cargo plane, but had passenger seats in it. And honestly, it felt like something out of a movie.
But it's all too real. Those passengers will remain quarantined for 3 days, longer if they show any symptoms. There are now 6 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in the U.S. Efforts to keep the outbreak in check have grown to screening checkpoints at 20 airports across the country.
Americans should know that this is a potentially very serious public health threat. But at this point, Americans should not worry for their own safety.
The rare global health emergency designation will help officials organize financial and political support to help contain this disease. Now, some airlines around the world have completely suspended flights to China until further notice. Even the White House has considered banning all flights from the U.S. to China, but that has not happened yet. In Washington, Eric Phillips, CBN News.